Karnataka's political landscape is once again at a crossroads as Chief Minister Siddaramaiah becomes the second sitting CM of the state to face prosecution while in the office. This development follows the footsteps of BJP's B.S. Yeddyurappa, who faced similar circumstances in 2011. Siddharamaiah was in opposition then and vehemently demanded Yeddyurappa's resignation. Now, Siddharamaiah is facing the same situation and there is growing demand for his resignation. In response to the situation, Congress in Karnataka staged protests across the state against the permission given by Governor Thawarchand Gehlot to prosecute Chief Minister Siddaramaiah for his alleged role in the MUDA scam. The Chief Minister also moved to the High Court challenging the Governor's decision. The Karnataka High Court has postponed the hearing to August 29th of the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's plea challenging the prosecution orders and asked the concerned lower court to defer the proceedings. On December 12, 2010, BJP leader Yeddyurappa also faced the similar circumstances where the prosecution was approved by then Governor H.R. Bharadwaj, which led to a widespread protests by BJP's K.S. Yeddyurappa. Congress and JDS supported the sanction. However, despite pressure, Yeddyurappa did not step down immediately. He held a cabinet meeting to condemn the governor's decision and engaged in a long legal battle. Yeddyurappa was accused of corruption. He was alleged to have illegally denotified government land, benefiting his family and associates. This was a significant issue that led to multiple legal cases against him. The Karnataka Lokayukta under Justice Santosh Hegde indicted Yeddyurappa in a report on illegal mining, accusing him of accepting bribes and facilitating illegal mining operations. Facing mounting pressure from within the BJP and public outrage, Yeddyurappa resigned as Chief Minister in July 2011. In October 2011, Yeddyurappa was arrested and jailed in connection with the land denotification case. He was granted bail after spending about 24 days in jail. Yeddyurappa fought several court cases. While some cases were dismissed, he faced legal challenges that lasted for years. Eventually, in 2016, he was acquitted or found not guilty of many charges related to the corruption cases. Yeddyurappa's resignation and arrest marked a significant setback for the BJP in Karnataka. It caused internal strife within the party. The BJP, which was becoming more popular in Karnataka, saw its reputation declining due to corruption scandals. This damage led to the party performing poorly in 2013 and they lost the Karnataka Assembly elections. Following his fallout with the BJP, Yeddyurappa left the party and formed his own political party, the Karnataka Janata Paksha, in 2012. This split the BJP's vote base in the state, contributing to the party's defeat in 2013. However, the KJP performed poorly in the elections, winning only a few seats, leading to Yeddyurappa's return to BJP again in 2014. Yeddyurappa's legal troubles gradually eased and his political career rebounded. He became Chief Minister again in 2019 after the fall of Congress-JDS coalition government, marking his position as one of the Karnataka's most influential politicians. Similar scenarios have unfolded in other states as well, where prosecution sanctions were granted against the chief ministers. Notable examples include J. Jayalalitha in Tamil Nadu, A.R. Antule in Maharashtra and Lalu Prasad Yadav in Bihar. All of them resigned following the sanction to prosecute them. So, what do you think about this present prosecution of the sitting Chief Minister of Karnataka, Siddharamaiah? Will it end his political career? Comment below your views on it.